Welcome to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are. ABCD is a rectangle. The points P, Q, R, and S are midpoints of the side AB. So Q is midpoint of the side AB, half of AB. P is midpoint of BD. R is midpoint of DC or CD. And S is midpoint of AC. Here we have a definition. Alright, a shape has axis of symmetry if when folded along the line, the two halves of the shape fit exactly on each other. Alright, so looking at this point again, SP. When you fold this rectangle along the line SP, this part is going to come up and fit onto that part, which makes symmetric, right? So that means that the line SP would be symmetric as well. CB wouldn't be a line of symmetry, even though it cuts it in two, but when you fold it, it doesn't fit onto each other exactly. Another thing that you can think of is a mirror. When you see your reflection in the mirror, it shows you exactly who you are, right? So it's the same thing. Need to be seen it exactly as it is. So that means our axis of symmetry, our two axes of symmetry are the lines SP and QR. So we have it in this form. So that's B. And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.